Back in 2019, my review of Drew's Famous Presents 99 super scary sound effects mysteriously vanished. But the footage re-emerged in 2022 just in time for Halloween. Next up, we have a sealed one. Well, this toy plastic knife isn't sharp enough to cut through it. Alright, we got Drew's Famous 99 super scary sound effects. A lot of times these are the same sound effects you're going to hear on these other CDs, but without the additional layers. They take these and they layer them on top of each other for the haunted house type sounds. The Black Crow Nose.
What is that?
Sharpening the blade. Well, there's 99 of them. This says the bell tolls, but it sounds like men screaming. I don't hear a bell tolling. The Electrocution. This is not right. The track listing on the back does not match what I'm hearing. This is not Electrocution. This is some dog growling. So I can't trust this. Alright, next. A person trying to sound like a werewolf. Well, I guess a werewolf is a person, but it sounds more person than wolf there. Is that a hinge? That's a squeaky hinge. And there's the bell. I wonder if this is the bell tolls. Next. No idea. Next. That's the bell tolls. That has to be the bell tolls. Bless you. Hungry ogre? Okay. Next. You should see a doctor about that. That's pretty rough. Next. That's not scary, that's sad. Something just fell over. Heartbeats are scary. Where's Edgar Allan Poe when you need him? Gesundheit. A lot of growls on this CD. Power tools. Sounds like a table saw. That reminds me, I need to work on some shelves. They don't believe in oiling hinges at these haunted houses. Got some 3-in-1 oil. Try a Primatine spray. Oh, a dental drill. Or a Dremel. Sound about the same. That is scary. Hope some Novocaine was involved. I can make that noise too. without hearing one. She must be scared of thunder. Didn't we already hear a saw? Yes, I need to work on shelves. Some of these are just kind of disgusting noises, not scary. Nope. Am I hearing the same things over and over again? I wonder if this is playing in random order. I'm gonna find another player. I think I might have gone through them all. Alright, I got a different player here that actually displays track information. And this CD does repeat itself. Anyway, 99 tracks of sound effects, Drew's Famous.
Thank you to my patrons for supporting this channel, and remember, stay thrifty, everyone.